Something underneath the stand so the bike is straight. Take your 5mm Allen and we're gonna loosen this. 2 bolts here, one and the second one there. The screws are removed from both sides. Now on the right side, take this assembly of this ball pin here. I mean dowel pin, sorry. And that should come out like this. So let's remove the connector so that it's not connected anymore. Let's try pulling the connector out. And it doesn't want to come out easily. Probably there's a here we go with the boot. Remove the bulb clip. This is out. Take a new one. And use this LED. This is my new one. Put it in like so. See the clip. And lock it in place. Let's put the boot back on. You gotta use my other hand. I push the boot down so that the terminals of the back of the bulb are visible for me to put the connector on. Now let's put the assembly back on the bike. Put the connector back on. Now remember, you gotta put this onto this where is it? Dowel pin here. I put this assembly, the headlight assembly back on. Just remember this, as long as you get this one on, the other 3 holes, this one and 2 on the side matches this one and 1 on the bottom. You just gotta push it a bit, that's all. Got all 4 screws in place. I've tightened the screws, and again it's a 5mm Allen head. Same thing on the other side. Here and there. Now let's see how the light looks. Ooh, impressive. Big difference. Let me turn the high beam on. Low, high, looking sharp. Thanks.